What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it is another one on Terra Classic LUNC, which has been pumping up once again in value, 20% up, guys. As you can see, it went for a major pump very early this morning, and right now is fluctuating around this price target here. So what has caused this pump? What is this next target? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at its next potential target, covering both buyers and a seller's point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So no point looking at the yearly chart. Obviously, we all know what's taken place. We're going to focus more on the short term. So on the last day, or last 24 hours even, 20% up. Over the week, 2% down. It's been quite volatile, and over the month, it is an overall 86% up. We all seen the major peak that took place about 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th of June and 30th. So about 4 days consistently, it was picking up in value. A lot of people thought, you know what, it's on its way to the 1 cent mark, so on and so on. But I knew that, I did predict in my video that I've done a couple of, potentially about 3-4 weeks ago, when it was trading, it was picking up in value, that it will come back down slowly and steadily, and that is exactly what's taken place. And obviously, this peak that's just taken place is not permanent, it's temporary. It is very likely to drop back down in value over the next 24 to 48 hours. Again, I'm not saying it's going to completely drop straight away, but slow and steady drops are expected over the coming days. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis using this Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, again, just to let you guys know, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So this is the Fibonacci scale. I'm not going to use that right now. We are going to use the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly chart for the short-term traders as well. We are not going to do the long-term prediction, only because not just Terra Classic, but the most cryptos out there, especially Bitcoin, have been very volatile. So it's very likely that my predictions over the long run are going to change. As you can see, the crypto market is up today. So let's have a look here. As you can see, 6% up, with Bitcoin pumping up in value 6%, Ethereum 13%, which is looking very good. However, guys, that doesn't mean that we're back in the bull run and the crypto market is going to fully recover, so on and so on. No, that is not true. We are still in the bear market. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So as I mentioned plenty of times in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened to Terra Classic here, as you can see, it is likely to drop down in value, take a little step back, take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Terra Classic. So I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours. So potentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should be back down to about trading below the 0.0010 to 0.00100, somewhere around there. I know all the zeros are a bit confusing, but I'll just show you guys here. So trading somewhere in between there, and then potentially dropping down in value over the coming days as well. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see? So towards the end of next week, we should again expected to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. We got the blue line looking bearish, slanting towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish. However, we can clearly see that it is starting to fluctuate out to go in a straight line. So overall, what I'm expecting is decreases in value over the coming days. Again, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, when it's up, and days when it's red and when it's down. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So I am expecting an overall decrease in value over the coming days from Terra Classic. However, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that will have a potential impact on the value of Terra Classic, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So 3 reasons why Terra Classic is a zombie crypto token. So let's quickly have a look. I'm not going to sit here reading through all of this, but just a little scan through. So Bloomberg analysts argue that Terra Classic has a relative lack of value and is a relic of Terra's past. LUNC still has buyers across exchanges despite flatlining at near zero in the collapse of Terra Luna and UST. Terra Classic price is struggling to make a comeback at this current level here, and again, I've mentioned it plenty of times, I do not believe in this crypto anymore. I don't believe that it's going to go to 1 cent or 10 cents or whatever you guys are predicting it to go to, not anytime soon anyway. But even in the long run, all I'm expecting it to do is potentially just keep dropping and dropping and dropping, and yeah, just, you know, these zeros are just gonna get bigger and bigger. Yes, there may be pumps here and there where it goes up in value, but that's not really permanent, is it? It's temporary. It goes up and then up after a couple of days or even a couple of weeks, it just comes straight back down. All I'm doing at the moment is holding on to what I've got, what I've bought previously. I'm not selling it, I'm not buying more. All I'm doing is holding on to the crypto. I've seen a lot of people talking bullish around this, saying that, you know, it's going to go back to the dollar mark over the next few years, so on and so on. Realistically, guys, comment down below, how high do you guys predict Terra Classic to go? I want to see how many of you guys are still bullish on this crypto and how many of you guys are bearish. So let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Terra Classic update. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic. And as you guys know, Bitcoin has a major role in the crypto market, especially when it's going up and down. Bitcoin, as it's pumping right now, not really major pump, but you know, 6% up is all right, is a decent amount of increase in value. And what you see, most cryptos are also picking up in value. However, if we do see Bitcoin dropping in value, most cryptos are also going to follow. So what I have done for you guys to make it easier is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day on what to expect, where it's heading to, bullish, bearish, and what price target is likely to hit. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, as you can see here. This is an old screenshot from about late May, but yeah, you get the gist of what takes place, and I'll give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Terra Classic before I give you an update on the pump that's taken place, which is likely to come back down in value anyway. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. A special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.